one on, and he grows into a Mamoswine. Mamoswine. This is really huge, and let's exactly see what it looks like. This is a Mamoswine. This is what he grows into. And on this channel, we're going to be drawing them actually. So we're not going to draw the first one. We're going to draw him fully evolved like this in a Mamoswine, which is Pokédex number 473. I was going to say 37. 473. And there you go, guys. You got it. When Brockton, the city of champion. This is where I've caught our first ever in this episode. And it's called a Mamoswine. A Mamoswine. This is what he looks like. And we'll go ahead and come back with the next episode in which we're going to be actually drawing him. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And we're just starting out this channel. We're still young, but we hope to grow with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see